I'm a medium. Missy, shut up. He was very A-word. I didn't know this was going on, and this is why you should never judge people or your neighbors. I'm always like, why is she so grumpy? Why does she look miserable? Because Faye.
Hey, it's Faye. Did you miss my hauls? Cause I did. Here's the tea. Kylie Jenner's body was designed for Kai outfits. But what about someone who doesn't have the Kardashian proportions? I'm putting these pieces to the test on a realistic body. And when I say realistic, I'm just talking about my mid-size body, okay? The Kardashian Jenners play a huge role in body image. So let's not ignore the elephant in the room. She's going there. She's getting in her little cat suit. This is a long sleeve footed cat suit. Honestly, where and why would you wear this out? What am I supposed to do with this? It's like a green screen suit. Okay, Miss Kylie. I mean, even the model's body is tea. I'm just trying to show you how it'll look like on a mid-sized body. Built like a half-size school bus. Oh, okay. Oh, this is not gonna be cute. Oh, no. Do I look like the Lorax? We're gonna hook and snap her. And now we zip. Did it help that I just ate pork belly? Okay. Well, that's as far as I'm gonna go. So where am I supposed to wear this to? This was like 180 bucks. And I kind of get it. Get it in the sense that it's like very high quality. Oh my gosh, she is not looking cute. You see everything. You see everything. I feel like if a Kardashian wore this, it'd look futuristic. She's an icon. For me, it's giving Red Ranger meets the Lorax meets a hot Cheeto puff. You know what? I didn't expect this though. The footy. This is a full body commitment. I am straight up red 40. Whoa, 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 whoa. She's getting a little comfy down here at the cookie. You'd wear boots or like strap heels with these, right? You don't have toes. Honestly, this hugs every curve, and it's fine if you have Kardashian curves, but for the rest of us, it hugs curves I didn't know I even had. Feel invaded. The cops would be called on me if I wore this outside. I know this would pass in LA, but this is Michigan. All I'm saying is if you're gonna wear this out, you better not pee for the next 8 hours. I feel like I can breathe, and there's a nice stretch to it. Again though, where am I going? I don't want to accidentally show up in this. The nylon spandex blend, a second skin silhouette. It's enough to just show that you have something going for you. Maybe it's this dramatic color that makes it unconventional. This would be a little bit more appropriate if it was like an all black cat suit. It's more editorial, not built for errands, unless your errand is to slay. I don't even know if that's... If I had to rate this out of 10, give it a 6, because it is comfy, not gonna lie. Like, I can see myself wearing this as PJs. That in itself should say something. The girls look nice. Okay, wait a second. I was shitting on this dress when I was putting it on. This is the twist tube mini dress. I was a hater. Putting this on, I felt like a caterpillar. The tatas look like gorgina. Sorry, not sorry for using that term. It is such a basic plain twist tube dress. For the price, it has to be the material. The highlight of this dress obviously is the twist front detail. It's so architectural to the bust, making it look fancier than it is. I mean, I am such a big fan of ruching. Not only is it gonna hide the little lumps and bumps, it camouflages the fupa, tightening to the body. A Kai dress wouldn't be a Kai dress if it weren't bodycon. The mini length, this color eats. Honestly, at first I was like, strapless, it's gonna be 50% dress, 50% praying, it's not gonna slide down my body. I am so obsessed with this color. I thought it was gonna be a little bit sour to the eyes. Because of the soft pastel, I feel so fragile. I feel like I belong in the man's arms. At least there's a ruching line down the butt. Kind of gives you a divider between your buns to make it look like buns and not just a pancake. But for me, like 2 pancakes. Okay, I could kind of feel the strapless becoming like risky. Yes, there is support because it's tighter, so it's holding onto the girls, but the slipping on the chesty besties could be anxiety inducing. My accessory, anxiety. Just know that the dress is gonna crawl up your thighs. I put on mini heels because that's all I ever wear. Okay, out of 10, we're gonna rate this a 7. I know that's pretty high, but we get the bodysuit a 6, so I kind of have to give it a 7. Thank the Lord I got the same twist dress in a tube top. This is just a strapless top, and I paired it up with some jeans, and girl, this is a whole look on its own. Honestly, this twist top is your best friend if you have repelling girlies. My tatas are not full in volume forwardly, but mainly on the side. So I love wearing a tube top because you gather them together, press it in, and they visually look lifted. The price is insane for just the tube top and heather gray. I don't know why you would even market it as heather gray with that kind of price tag. Ruching on the back, honestly, I was having trouble figuring out how this strapless part was supposed to look like. The ruching down the middle just camouflages any lingering fabric. It has the same tightening stretch feel. Not just supporting the chesty besties, but supporting me emotionally. Such a well-rounded strapless top. I love how the twist is giving this V-cut lining. It makes the girls like bustier than they are, they're not this busty, let's be real. Because of the heather gray, it kind of falls into like the homey cozy category. It's just insane with that price. A sneeze away from busting. We all know by now that I don't have enough real estate. This top is not cropped. Keeps on going, keeps on giving. I'm sad because I want to recommend this for you, but the price is just way too insane. It makes no logical sense. Like, I get it, but there are other ways to get a tube top to give you like the same busty effect without destroying your credit score. I just love it though. I think it's so cute. I don't mean to be a hypocrite. This top is doing your mid-size girly justice versus it only being fitted for a Kylie body. Low-key, this is really cute, but I just can't justify the prices. This is always my issue right here. There's gonna be some stretching in between. The richness in this red though, insane. The white buttons on this red with a scoop neck, ribbed. The knit fabric is so cozy. It's giving sweater. The quality is insane. I didn't get the skirt, so you can't really see the set, but the set itself looks very 2000s. Feels like a cardigan that gave up halfway. It clocked out of its shift. Probably the nicest thing I've ever felt in my body in a long time. So this top is from the Oakley Cloud Knit Fabric Collection. I believe that collection focused on bikinis. The whole point of this knit during summer is that you can wear it any season with the bikini underneath. It's giving librarian during the day and then like sexy. My cardigan top shrunk during the night. Wait, I don't want to fuck up my eyes because these are prescribed, but look. Do you see my vision? Clearly I can't see my vision. I have to look up just in case. I'm scared. But you know what I mean? Very cute, but seductive. Powerful look to go by. And if you would like me to give you some of those looks in the next video or something, channel your feminine energy. Okay, let's not get sucked in. We are part of the problem. It's just ridiculous. We'd be stupid to keep a little cable knit crop top at $130. The buttons could have not been plastic. For what I'm paying, I better not get plastic buttons. I mean, I guess it's a higher grade from plastic, but it looks like plastic, so fix it. Now, in terms of just rating, I definitely give this an 8 out of 10. And do it again. Was this made for 6-foot models? Because why do I have a sack? Why do I have a sack? Listen, Linda, that fixed the maybe that was supposed to be what I was supposed to do. Why is it so saggy? Look how long these legs are. At least they have a split and it's off the shoulders. Twisted catsuit has this like soft stretch jersey texture. Lounging meets body tee meets contour meets saggy crotch. Insane. I mean, I love the monochrome neutral tone and this heather gray again. You know, if this was just simply a top, I'd like it. And it's nicely fixed, so you don't have to twist and turn it yourself. It's very tight. Basically pajamas that got promoted to a jumpsuit. Like, you'd lounge in this, right? Like, you wouldn't wear this out, right? Oh yeah, after hours. Basically a onesie for adults. It sure does elongate the body as it claims. Even the catsuit was a little softer than this. I may be missing the point here, but this is supposed to be confident and sexy on the body. Why do I feel like toilet paper? If anything, it's making my body look very slouchy. Maybe the goal was to merge this like sweatpants look. I think there are cuter things out there. We can be chic and minimalistic and budget friendly somewhere else. So out of 10, we're definitely giving this a 5. I'm being generous, okay? My crotch says otherwise. It is no lie that the Kardashians have changed and shifted and set boundaries and expectations on today's Western beauty standards. Today, I hope you guys got to see just a normal body trying on tight clothes. It's not so bodacious, curvaceous. Little me testing the patience of body image. I mean, look at my body. She's in all her glory. It is what it is. Bye.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday.